Ayan, magandang araw, magandang gabi. Nanood tayo ng after work, ng Slumber Massacre Party. Tatlo yun 1982, 1997, tsaka yung 2021 ata. Wow, napanood ko yung una muna na kahapon yung 82. Tapos yung ngayon yung kanina yung dalawa. Nung sa una, mas pa nga yung papakita pa ng sa mga babae yung luma kaysa yung ngayon walang pinakita. Tsaka parang may LGBTQ na tema yung ngayon. Yan, gamit natin yung Action 5 kasi pinadala natin yung Osmo Nano natin, pero mas parang magugustuhan ko to, pero na chip yung yung bukasan ng yung sa charger sa USB-C kasi pino-pull out ko at pala pag slide down mo para pagbukas. Yan sa next time mag-basketball tayo rito habang medyo maaraw pa. Malapit yung secondary high school, lapit lang yung basketball court dito. Yan sa mga kabataan, habang bata kayo, kailangan mag-open up na kayo ng brokerage account nyo. Either Wealthsimple, Questrade, or sa bangko nyo. But sa bangko, yung TD, meron din easy trade. But I transferred to Wealthsimple. Meron din ata silang ngayon so Wealthsimple matching 3%. So yun yung umpisahan nyo habang bata kayo kasi accumulate yan ng interest throughout the years na kayo nag-i-invest. Yun naman siguro na magtrabaho hanggang 65, tapos yung time ng retirement nyo na-realize nyo wala kayong na-invest, wala kayong naipon, so kailangan yung bumalik sa workforce as part-time. Yung mga naawa ako sa mga nakikita kong mga may edad na mga kababayan natin na nagtatrabaho sa mall, yan, as naglilinis, ganyan. Hindi lang sa naglilinis, yung mga meron din sa mga superstore, yan. But I'm not saying those are bad, but I'm saying hindi sila naturuan, hindi ako naturuan. I've been investing late na rin my 40s, early 40s ano pa rin ako, party, pero after that you realize malapit ng retirement. So just between around 42, 43, I think I started investing. 43, mga ganyan. So like not even 10 years ago. So okay, mga 10 years ago na, to be exact, maybe. So na-realize ko sayang yung before that, na sana inano ko na yung accumulation period ko when I started earlier, right? So nasayang yung time na dapat nag-earn ng interest yung sa when you start early. So they said nga it's time, it's better to put your investment in the market, yung time in the market, than timing the market, yung ganyan. So So yeah, invest right away. It's better to start now. The best time to start is, 10 years ago. Second best thing yesterday. Third best thing, best time to start today, now. So it can't be tomorrow. Yun. Siya nga pala dito, makapamahal yung gas, no? So, mapipilitan kang mag either electric or hybrid. Hybrid muna tayo siguro. Tapos, we'll see. Gas ako, pure gas ako pa ngayon. Ang maganda rin yung Mustang yun. Dumaan. Ewan ko ano yan. Bago na Mazda ata yan. Ganda yung forma. Talaga itong edad, hindi na forma ang hanap natin eh. Parang tingin ko lang point A to point B na lang. Na reliable dapat. Tsaka matipid. Tsaka walang sakit ng ulo. Yun ang importante sa sasakyan. Dito napapalakad ka. Kasi maganda yung araw. Hindi masyado malamig. Gaya ngayon, naka-t-shirt lang tayo. Hindi ganitong oras sa train shirt, maglalakad ka. Malamig na eh. Yan o. Ganda ng bulaklak. Yan o. Bulaklak. Ang dami. Kita mo yung sakyan ng mga dito. East Indian eh. Mga anong bago. Mga high-end din. Pero ang dami nila. Dami sakyan sa isang driveway. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Sumanda pa sa Gumamela yan. Dito lang, maraming mga daga. Nalaman mo dyan sa mga lapit sa mga basura. Ang buhay yung mga daga. Maliliit lang naman na nasa parang mga ewan ko, bubuit. Hindi naman, kaya hindi ako nakakita ng pusa dito sa labas. Sa Prince George may mga pusa sa labas eh. Kaya walang daga. Yan, tandaan nyo lang sa investing, pagka more than 60K ang sweldo nyo, RSP and then TFSA ang unahin nyo next. Pero kung below 60K, para hindi ko lang naman din sa first marginal tax rate, unahin mo yung TFSA. Maximize mo kasi tax free yung gain dun eh. So, yun. You're the one with the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So he said she's coming out. Is the phone legit?
Yeah. She
Okay.
gave me like the receipt and stuff.
Okay. Can we open and try my SIM card?
To put your SIM card in the phone?
Yeah, and try it.
I mean, like, you haven't even like you can't do that unless you like buy it and stuff. You know what I mean?
No, but I wanted to make sure.
Hold on, let me ask.
Yeah, I don't want to buy it and then not see the phone. I told her to. I'm gonna give you the money, just the box, right? Can you open the phone and like the box?
Well, I mean, like, it's not mine. So just give me a second.
Yeah, of course I wanted to check.
Hello? Yeah. He says like he wants to like open the box and put like his SIM card in.
Yeah, I want to know if it's legit.
Alright, happy. Bye. She said like it's better for like if you don't do that, like to put your SIM card in like the new phone, like without buying
Why
it and
not?
stuff.
I'm not gonna buy it without seeing the phone even. That's just a box.
Well,
Where's the
you can
phone?
like check like the I and my number and like the receipt and stuff.
Yeah, but this I don't know.
Is that a GoPro?
No, this is my this is a Action 5
You be
DJI.
making like videos?
Well, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, what's your YouTube channel? You have like hella subscribers?
No, I got my Mongbird is my YouTube.
Oh, well, yeah. She said not to like put the SIM card in it.
Yeah, see that's the thing. I'm not gonna buy it. Give you the money and then can I even take a look?
You can ask her,
Yeah, but how come?
like, ask her for like, I don't know.
Like,
I mean, I'm just a messenger, bro.
yeah, well, I'm not gonna give you the money without even seeing the phone, right?
Yeah.
So I want to see the phone. I told her to take pictures. It's sealed, but I can't really verify. Even in the store, you can they open it up and try it for you to do that, right? I mean, I'm not gonna just.
But like, yeah, I don't know. She's saying like,
Well, I got no deal if I'm not gonna buy it if I can't see the phone even.
all right, sorry for your time, sir.
All
Have a
right.
great day.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my God. So he can't even open the phone, so I'm not paying that amount 750 for an S25 Ultra. That's not right. Ayan, sumuntik na tayong ma-scam ano. He can't even open the phone. He has a Samsung bag
At the light, turn right on the
and a like sealed, but I can't even verify that it's that, right? So I wanted to verify it.
continue on East River Road for 1.5 kilometers.
So, god damn, waited for him, wasted my 1 hour waiting. So I think it's a scam. And she got somebody to go out, not even her. It's a black kid. Seems nice and everything. Can't trust that. I was sitting there. Yung, dito tayo sa anong bridge ba to? Fraser Bridge. Parang ano, may mga string. Kulay puti. Ayan, ewan ko, nakikita nyo. Yung bata, akala niya maisaan niya ako. Sabi niya, sealed. You can check the receipt. Pero sabi ko, well, how am I supposed to know it's working? I have to see the phone and then put my SIM card. Test tayo dito.